A lot of people want to start content creation, but they don't know how to because they think starting content creation is a problem. Hello, guys, and welcome to Big Benji Tech Community. Today, I want to tell you how to start your content creation journey, even without good materials. A lot of people would want to start a podcast and they think that the best thing they can do is to buy cameras for 1, 2, 3, 5 million, get a very big studio and all that. A lot of people think that to start even street content or maybe teaching content, they need to get the best of digital cameras and all that. Let me tell you something. As a content creator that I've been since 2021, I want to tell you I started with a Techno phone, Techno Camon 8. That is where I started. I did not even know much about content creation. I learned in the process when I was already creating content. And if that is what is holding you behind, I want to tell you, it's been a while I've not posted content. If I tell you my challenges, you're going to be asking yourself, is this true? But hey, I want to tell you, content creation is a very good thing, but then don't think you have to start from the top. You want to be like this, Mackenzie, Angela Wonso, Sada Bosch, Gege, Flower Boy, Sabinus, and just to name a few. No, you are trying to start something, but you want to start from the top. Whereas those people, some of them, like if you see like Untouchable Comedy, he has shared his story where he was sleeping under the bridge, Ajah Bridge, right, in Lagos, and yet today he's living in a mansion. Don't think that the only thing you have to do is to start from that top. That phone you're using, that Android phone, see, you might not know how to edit videos like we do. Start with it. The greatest thing I want to advise you is if you can cut videos, remove those bad places in your video, you are good to go. In the process, you'll be learning. Let nobody stop you. Don't think that you are not going to make it because you have not. If you want to start content creation, comment below, I want to start content creation, and I'm going to be teaching you. Remember that my videos here are mostly for beginners like you, and I'm going to be teaching you how to take you through your journey in content creation. That small camera you have, that small phone you have, that video that you're about to create now, that you have created many times and deleted, don't delete again. Go and make good use of it. This is how to start your content creation. Don't think that you're going to make it by doing greater things that people are not yet aware of. Where you want to start, that thing you are able to do. You are doing a business, you are a teacher, anything in life that you're doing. Even if you're a pepper seller, you can still be a content creator, and that process of content creation will generate income for you. Nobody should stop you. Don't procrastinate. Start today, and surely you're going to make it. Thank you. This is Big Benji. Make sure you like, you share, comment, and surely you get motivated or you will learn in this process. God bless you. See you in the next video. Ciao.